Hello guys, first of all I want to say thank you to all my subscribers and anyone who just comes around to watch my videos. Today I'll be making an easy pancake recipe using apples and cinnamon, so stay around and let's have some fun. Thank you. So these are some of the ingredients that we need: flour, apple and an egg, and we start off by cutting the apple into thin slices.
Tablespoons.com. Tablespoons.com.
Next step, we take cinnamon, sugar, and we mix these two ingredients well, and then we rub our apple slices on both sides till they are well covered.
Tablespoons.com.
So for our next step, we are going to make batter, and for that we need an egg, baking powder, some sugar, milk and flour, and then we mix thoroughly till we get our desired consistency. So this is my favorite step. I'm going to take my apple slices, which I had rubbed in cinnamon, sugar, and dip into that batter, and put that apple slice on a hot pan and fry on both sides till it's ready. This video is self-explanatory and it shows you the steps, the easy steps one by one. So guys, there are two ways to do this. You can either take the apple slice which is rubbed with the cinnamon mixture and put it directly on the pan, then you pour your butter on top. Or you can take your apple slice rubbed with cinnamon sugar mixture and dip it first into the butter before frying. You just play around with your ingredients.
taketones.com. taketones.com.
So my pancakes are ready and I'm going to serve them hot direct from the pan because that's how I like it. But first of all, I'm going to drizzle some sweet syrup, rub with some butter and sprinkle some cocoa powder because that's how I like it. I can either decide to use one or all of them at the same time. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate that you took your time to come here and spend time with me. It's a pleasure. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. Till next time, see ya.